From our last video, when I broke down with the bus, Jim here is saying that the fuel pump is not grounded right. It's basically got loose.
Yeah, it's all loose.
And
It's
basically
not grounding, or it grounds when it wants to. It probably went over a bump and it ungrounded itself and stalled out.
So this is just a follow-up troubleshooting what caused me to break on the side of the road. I think the carb is leaking too. It's dripping gas right there really bad. All done.
Secure now, yeah. It's good.
A little loose too.
Yeah, it's still a little loose on the mount. But most important is the wire, the ground wire is tight now.
Yeah, the ground wire that is solid there. Okay. Cool. Wish us luck.
You said you saw gas dripping?
Yeah.
Oh, it's coming out. See, that's the accelerator pump. Got a little bit of a leak. Gonna have to rebuild the carb to fix that. Put a new seal in it.
Dripping like that in that kind of a quantity.
Yeah, if it goes away after it warms up.
I see.
Sometimes they'll warm up and then it'll go away. Well, it is leaking, so you probably should rebuild that carb.
Okay. And probably the other one as well, on the other bus.
Yeah, it's just age, because it just has a rubber seal in it.
Mm-hmm.
Where that shaft goes up in, there's a rubber seal. A lot of your carburetors, it's on top, so they don't leak as bad. But the Volkswagens are on the bottom.
Got it.
Well, we'll see if it'll start. Go ahead.
Well, looks like that was it. Jim put a little gas in the carburetor or starter fluid.
And we pretty much stopped now.
Does it sound okay, this engine?
Yeah, it's a little rough, a little knocky.
Do you have any in the truck?
No, hitting on all four, so
They're good.
it's not probably just cold. Thing's working. Running a little rough. I'm just hitting on all cylinders though, so could be carburetor.
Starts right up. Nice. Well, this is it on this, the end of this project.
Keep pressure on it, it stays.
So you gotta keep holding on and it stays on. If you let it go, it shuts off.
Yeah, see. Whenever the light goes up, keep the light on.
So it's on and
Sooner or
off.
later it starts working by itself. It starts working. Yeah, see now it's kind of finally caught itself.
So, but once you get stuck, if I'm driving, would it shut the car off or just
Yeah,
once it's
it'll
on,
shut
it's on?
off.
Oh, it will shut off.
Yeah, it'll shut off. Because it's running, it's fine. Hit a bump,
I
it
see.
turns off.
So we need a new
We
brain
need
here.
to get a new switch.
Okay. In the case of the blue one, do I need a new switch as well, or we can remake the key? So I know maybe just buy two at once.
Might as well just buy two. Yeah, at
okay.
once.
So we have a fine upholstery here. This is done by Evans Upholstery in San Bernardino. This is just recent work is done. You see this? This is the latest. This is the quality here, the standards here. We're doing San Bernardino, and it's pretty good. What do you guys think?